If you add it all up, I've lost over 200 pounds so far in my lifetime. While you may think that my story is unbelievable and inspiring, I'm going to share with you why it isn't nearly as impressive as it sounds. You see, though I've lost a lot of weight in my life, it's always been the same 5 to 10 pounds at a time. Now, if you're sitting here watching this video thinking that my story is the exception, a rare occurrence, you'd be wrong. In fact, if you're like the majority of women who struggle to maintain a healthy and happy weight, then your story is likely not much different than mine. The truth is, the average woman spends over 17 years of her life dieting. During that time, the average diet lasts just 15 days, with as many as 35% of women gaining more weight than they lost in the first place once the diet is over. What this research shows that for most of us, weight loss is not our problem. Where we mess up is in keeping the weight off for the long haul. This is why we don't need more fad diets or fancy weight loss products in our life. What we actually need is a better strategy to help us maintain our weight loss results. And that's exactly what I'm delivering to you today in this video. Keep watching, my friend, because today I'm sharing with you 3 common weight loss mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your weight loss progress. Hey there, I'm Britney and I'm the face behind MisfitFarmer.com. Every week I deliver videos on how to simplify your fitness routine and enjoy lasting weight loss. If you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss when a video drops. Now, I'm going to bet that some of these things are currently holding you back in your own fitness journey. And so I want to hear from you in the comments below. As I go through these 3 common weight loss mistakes, let me know in the comments below which one of these fits you the most. So, mistake number 1, you jump into the weight loss process without a plan in place. While I praise you for taking action, here's why this doesn't work. When your actions are scattered and unstructured, your results tend to fall flat. You see, the thing about weight loss is the decision to improve our health is usually sparked by an extreme level of discomfort. What I mean by this is that we're usually prompted to make changes to our health because we are faced with the uncomfortable reality that we've let ourselves go. You know, we catch an unflattering glimpse of ourselves in the mirror, we see an unexpected picture of us that makes us turn up our nose, or we find that an increasing number of clothing items in our closet just don't fit like they used to. Whatever the situation is, it's uncomfortable enough that it prompts us to take action. The thing is that we're often so focused on getting anywhere besides where we are in the moment that we fail to take into consideration where we're going or how we're going to get there. You know the drill. You're ready to make changes to the way that your body looks and feels, and rather than be strategic about your fitness journey, you decide to dive headfirst into taking action. You immediately get started with an intense workout program, or you try and overhaul your eating habits overnight. You want results fast, so you keep piling on the healthy to-dos, often jumping from one thing to the next because you want to see results. But instead, what usually happens is that you burn out within a week or 2. You become frustrated from not seeing results, and you can't help but feel like you're just spinning your wheels, so you give up. Diving headfirst into the weight loss process without a proper plan in place is like starting your favorite Netflix show somewhere in the middle. You fast forward through the beginning, avoiding the boring details because you want to get to the good stuff sooner, but in the end you miss out on the important details that help bring everything together. Now, a fitness plan doesn't have to be fancy to be effective, but it should include a few things. First, your plan needs a method to put you in the right mindset. Whether you realize it or not, your mindset is at the very core of every decision that you make in your life. No single action of yours comes without the thought or belief behind it. If you don't believe that something is possible for you, taking the action required to reach your goals will feel like an uphill battle. Secondly, your fitness plan needs a proper goal, a goal that you're not only happy to strive for, but one that enhances your motivation to make new and improved healthy habits stick. And last but not least, your fitness plan needs to include actions that ultimately support your end goal and that are held in place by a strategy that ensures that your new healthy lifestyle is lasting and permanent. These are all critical components of a fitness plan. When you skip over any of these items, problems develop. For example, without a proper goal, your fitness journey lacks direction. It's unclear whether the actions that you decide to take support where you want to end up, and when your actions don't match up to your intentions, the results get muddled. And when the results don't show up like you want, you're likely to throw in the towel altogether. But when you have a good plan in play, you gain the peace of mind of knowing that the results are coming. You stress less over the process, and dare I say, you actually enjoy the fitness journey that you are on. So the second mistake that's sabotaging your weight loss progress is the fact that you're doing too much. Yes, I said it. You probably feel like you're not doing enough when it comes to your fitness goals. But I'm here to tell you that it's likely the other way around. So often when it comes to improving our health and our fitness, we convince ourselves that we don't have enough time, because in the back of our minds, we've created this mile-long list of things that we think we need to do every day in order to get fit. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do everything. You just have to do enough of the right things to tip the scale in your favor. The truth is, quality trumps quantity every single time. I think Gary Keller said it best when he said that success isn't a game won by whoever does the most, yet that is exactly how most of us play it on a daily basis. Overloading yourself with fitness to-dos does not make you reach your fitness goals faster. Rather, it complicates the process. It leaves you tired and burnt out, overly frustrated, more willing to quit before you achieve the kind of success that you're after. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The key to achieving big success, to actually reach those big goals you have for yourself, is to start small. When it comes to weight loss, we like to blame the big moments of our lives for either our success or our failure. We tend to blame that greasy pizza we had for lunch or those chocolate chip cookies we made for the kids as reasons for why we haven't lost the weight, and we tend to believe that really good weight loss results come from spending 2+ hours in the gym and eating a very strict, no-frills diet. But believe it or not, victory or defeat is found in the small moments. Small wins, when practiced daily, have the power to produce some pretty remarkable results. That's because when you change the micro, the small details of life, you influence the macro, those really big details. And so when it comes to your fitness journey, whatever your goal happens to be, the quality of your actions will far exceed the quantity of your actions. That's why it's possible to build a life you love around habits that you can keep. And it's why it's possible to see results from your fitness plan without exhausting yourself. Moving on, let's talk about that last mistake. Mistake number 3. Your fitness plan is not tailored to meet your needs. Instead, you try to fit your life around or inside of some sort of cookie-cutter fitness program. You see, we think that the secret to getting results is to will our way through a 60 or a 90-day program, no matter how painful it may feel. We're all right with being momentarily uncomfortable because we view the entire process as temporary. We tend to think, let me just make it through these next 60 days and then I'll see results and this will all be over. Now, I hate to spoil it for you, but temporary action can only give you temporary results. That's why when you hate the plan, when it goes against your lifestyle, when it just doesn't fit who you are as a person, the results will never be long-term. And that's why more often than not, we find ourselves on the diet roller coaster. We follow a fitness plan we hate, then allow unhealthy habits to sneak back into our life, and before we know, we're back at where we started. In case no one has told you, you don't have to be a slave to your diet and your exercise program. In fact, the best programs, while they may challenge you physically and mentally, they should still work within the limits of your current lifestyle, meaning they should take into account your preference for either gym or at-home workouts. They should take into consideration whether you are a vegetarian or a meat-loving carnivore. When your preferences are accounted for within your fitness plan, when your responsibilities and your personal details are all included, you end up with a fitness plan that works for you, not against you. You find it easier to adhere to the plan, and you consequently realize that the results tend to take care of themselves because you actually enjoy what you're doing. Transformation is a process, not an event. When the process is enjoyable, the entire transformation has a way of sticking around. This is why it is so important to not just follow another cookie-cutter fitness program that you found on the internet. What you need is a system that is the right fit for you. So don't follow the crowd just so that you can do what everyone else is doing. When it comes to your health, you have to find what works for you and for your lifestyle. Because when you find the right fitness plan, you'll discover that you can lose weight, even if you've tried and failed before. You can lose weight even if your schedule feels like it cannot possibly accommodate yet another goal for you to try and achieve. So right now I'm curious, what's holding you back? Is it the fact that you don't have a fitness plan in place to help you reach your goals? Is it that you're doing too much? Or is it that your current fitness plan isn't a good fit for the life that you live? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if after watching this video you're wondering how exactly do you start a fitness journey the right way, I encourage you to join me for my free 5-day fitness challenge. You see, I know how overwhelming it can be to take a pile of information from off the internet and try and break it up into simple action-based steps. And that's why I've done the hard work for you. Yes, as part of my new free 5-day fitness challenge, I'm giving you an easy-to-follow system that will help you find the time to take charge of your healthy lifestyle, no matter how busy you currently are. More importantly, this challenge is designed to eliminate the overwhelm and the frustration of trying to build healthy habits. I've named this free challenge the Start Living Healthy Challenge because it's your 5-day quick start guide to losing weight and living healthy. Simply go to startlivinghealthychallenge.com to sign up and get started today. I'll include the link in the description box below. Just visit startlivinghealthychallenge.com and in 5 days you can be that much closer to making your health and fitness goals come true. Now, I just want to say thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you've enjoyed the content in this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. For more videos on how to simplify your fitness journey and enjoy real lasting results, just check out these videos over here. And as always, I will see you in the next video.